everyone! So today is finally a proper video. This video is basically just going to be like a... I don't even know what to call it. Anyway, so basically I'm going to be sorting out my like wardrobe, doing that, and also there was some like charity bags that came in this morning, so I was just like, oh, I can put all of my stuff in there, so it means I don't have to like trail into town to go to the charity shop and do that. So yeah, we can kind of give away. This is my sweatshirt that I've got from Ariana Grande's website. My sweatshirt isn't the one that they originally came out with. I don't know if you can see it properly. So it's like a winter coat. This is probably one of the most expensive pieces of clothing that I've got in my wardrobe. So yeah, next outfit is this like silver dress. I bought this silver dress from the USA back in 2012, which is like 13 years ago. But it still fits me and it's still fine, so I kept it. But yeah, I don't know if to give this away or not. I really can't decide. Oh, this is so hard. That's the problem, is like knowing what to like get rid of and what to keep, and I haven't even started properly yet. So basically I'm gonna put this on the kind of like giveaway pile, and then decide after. This is a jacket that I bought a while back. This is probably like 13 years old as well. Does anyone in America remember Nicki Minaj when she came out with that like collection? This is from her collection. I bought like a few things at the time, and I had to get it shipped over here. Nice to wear, but I've never been brave enough to kind of like wear it out. So I'm not really sure if to keep this or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to think about that. So I'll put that over there. So I've got this one. This is, believe it or not, this is from the same collection. The Nicki Minaj collection. I can't believe I still have it. I guess it'd be technically Y2K, is it? Or will it have been after Y2K? Oh, it might have been after, actually. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. Oops. This is a dress, which somebody gave me. I've never worn this. Quite a nice dress. I've never actually got around to wearing it yet, so I think I'm going to keep this one. And it's really good for like summer. And then I've got this one. Setting up my own shop, and I bought some wholesale clothing to sell from there, like resell. So this is like wholesale clothing, but I kept this dress because I thought it was really nice. So yeah, but my business closed, so I've got like loads of wholesale clothing that I have no idea what to do with it. I've got that, so I think I might put that on the keep pile. Basically, I had two businesses. I had one business where I would sell like the wholesale clothing, which this one is from, and then I had like a designer clothing business where I basically created like patterns in Photoshop and then printed them onto clothing. So yeah, that's basically where this is from. It's like a velvet kimono style like jacket. This is a black skirt that I got from Amazon, and I didn't get it that long ago, so obviously I'm going to keep that. So I'll put this on the keep pile. Okay, so this is another jumper dress thing I got. Well, I didn't buy it, someone bought it for me, so I've had it for a while. Really good for like autumn, so I'm going to put that on the keep pile. But one of my small fashion businesses I am still running. That's still up and running. If anyone's interested, I'm still selling like stuff from that on Etsy. I do some stuff on there. but I made this like artwork and then got it printed on a sweatshirt. So if you guys are interested, I can put the link of that down below in the description box. I love this, absolutely love this. Kind of reminds me, I bought it back in 2012, but like around Christmas time, and the reason I got it is it reminded me of like Rihanna. So I really loved this, but I've always been torn about it. Like I never know if to keep it or not, because even though it's absolutely gorgeous when you wear it, like it's so nice, the only annoying thing about it is these padded shoulders. Is I kind of feel like they don't look right when they're on your shoulders. Like one of them kind of like slips down a little bit, like it. One of them is kind of like level, and then I think it's this one that kind of slips forward a bit too much, and it's really annoying. But it's got this like really nice hood. But yeah, it's one of those things where I've never known if to just get rid of it or if to keep it. So I think I might keep it. Not that I've got a really nice event to wear it to. And then next we've got this really nice red dress. It's funny thing is, this is a little bit like the other red dress that I showed you, the really long one. Like I've hardly ever worn this. And it's so nice. It's really nice. I don't know if to keep this or not. I'm going to put this on the maybe pile. So yeah, so this is another dress I've got, and this one's quite long, but this is really nice. And this is one from the wholesale business. I kept a few pieces when I stopped my wholesale business because I liked them, and I was like, well, these are too nice to kind of just like give away. So this is another dress. You probably recognise this from like a video that I've done. This is really nice because it's quite fitted, so it's like quite fitted to your body, which to me is like the most nicest thing ever. So anyway, I'm gonna keep this. And then this. Now this is a really nice dress. This is a vintage dress. And it's not mine. Someone gave it to me, but it's really nice. And it kind of feels a little bit like it's real silk, but I'm not 100% sure if it is real silk, but it definitely feels like it. But yeah, this is really nice. This is from the 80s, I think, 70s or 80s, this dress. So it's like really vintage, but it's so nice. Oops, I just got a little bit. I'll just kind of move that. It's coming off the coat hanger. I'll put it back on. But yeah, this is really nice, like especially the back. It's got like these nice little crystal things on it. So I think I'm gonna keep this, obviously, because it was given to me. So it's a special dress. This is another dress I bought. This was expensive, but I can't remember how much it was. I just remember that it was expensive. I couldn't tell you because this is like 15 years old, but I still wear it. And this is real silk. This is like a real silk dress, and I got it from a boutique that got designer dresses all the way down from London, and then they'd kind of bring them up to the north. That's where that's from, so I'm definitely going to keep that. I got this, but it's still a good jacket. You know, still really nice. But okay, so this is the Bratz top that I still have. So I might be getting rid of maybe the shorts. I might keep the top, obviously, but I might get rid of these shorts because I kind of feel like these shorts are like too short. So I might get rid of these. Anyway, so yeah. So there's that, and then I'm gonna put the dress on that I'm gonna like give away. Okay, and this is the dress that I put in the maybe pile, the red one. So I thought I'd try it on to decide if, but yeah, I really don't know. I have to get rid of this or not. Damn it. I really like this.